Brian Calandra here, Managing Partner at Ramos Law, and welcome to another episode of House of Law. Today we're going to talk about what your attorney should expect from you in your first meeting. So you found a lawyer. You found someone that you think is a good fit, and you're getting ready for your first meeting with that attorney. I'm here to help you prepare for that, so you should know what your attorney is expecting from you to make his or her job just a little bit easier. The first rule of thumb to follow, and I know it might be the hardest one, is just relax. The attorney has been there, done that many times, and for you, this is probably a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Your anxiety levels are probably off the scale, and you're probably nervous. Don't worry, your attorney is there to help you. So the really great first rule of thumb is just try to relax for that first meeting, okay? It's really gonna help you. It's gonna help the attorney do a better job for you. The next thing I have for you, and I think this is probably the most important thing, not just for meeting number one, but for your entire relationship with your new lawyer and your new law firm, you have to be honest and forthcoming. Let me say that again. You have to be honest and forthcoming. What does that mean? It means that you need to share with your new lawyer the good, the bad, the ugly, and the very ugly. You do not want to lie to your attorney ever. The other thing you want to make sure you have is trust. If you don't have trust established in this first meeting with your attorney, both trust for the attorney and the attorney having trust in you, it's not a good fit, it's not a good relationship, and you shouldn't move forward. Honesty, transparency, and open communication are essential for you as the client and for your attorney. Can't skip that one. Another thing that's really important in these first meetings is you're going to want to let the attorney guide you through the process. Now trust me, you're going to have 50 million things that you want the attorney to know. You're going to have so much running through your brain, but the attorney knows how to gather information, and most attorneys are going to have a specific way they like to gather information. So a really good rule of thumb is let the attorney walk you through a process. A good attorney is going to roadmap that process for you before the meeting starts. They're going to look at you and they're going to say, here's what we're going to do today and how we're going to do it. So let them take you through that process, and then when they're done taking you through that process, that's your opportunity to ask questions that haven't been answered. That's your opportunity to fill in any gaps that the attorney didn't cover. And that's just a really effective way for you to build your relationship with your new attorney and for the attorney to feel in their comfort zone so that they can do what they do well, which is gather information. Another really important thing for you to do as the client is to set your expectations for your attorney. Now, the attorney might do the same thing. A good attorney is going to tell you what they expect of you, but if you have a certain set of expectations, if you like to be emailed, if you like to be texted, if you like to be called after 3 o'clock, if you have a nickname, if there are certain people that you want your lawyer to be able to communicate with as part of your case, you're going to want to establish those expectations right away so that you have good communication with your lawyer and a good service experience along the way. Listen, we as attorneys know what our clients go through is typically very challenging. It's not fun. It's not easy. You can make things easier on yourself by being a good communicator, being honest, setting those expectations, and doing everything you can to let your attorney do their job. You take care. We'll see you next time.